Night sweats, fragmented sleep, unpredictable mood swings. Menopause brings a host of challenges, and often women feel lost, unsure how to understand or manage what's happening to their bodies. But what if technology could be your smartest ally on this journey? Welcome back to Menopause Wellness Journey. I am Ella Sage, and today we explore how the Oura Ring, a small ring on your finger, can become your personalized guide to navigating the complex hormonal shifts of menopause. It's menopause, but with intelligence. The Oura Ring is more than a simple fitness tracker. It's an advanced wearable health device that monitors a range of physiological biomarkers with impressive precision, primarily during sleep. It measures your body temperature, heart rate variability, HRV, resting heart rate, sleep quality, and much more. But how does this connect to menopause? Hormonal fluctuations in perimenopause and menopause directly affect these biomarkers. For instance, basal body temperature can shift, sleep is often disrupted, and hormonal stress can impact your HRV. The Oura Ring collects this data continuously and passively, turning it into actionable insights you can use to better understand your body and your menopause symptoms. It's menopause with data. Let's see how the Oura Ring can help you identify and manage the most common menopause symptoms. 1. Night sweats and temperature. The Oura Ring detects subtle changes in your body temperature. Nighttime temperature spikes can indicate hot flashes, even if you don't fully wake up. Monitoring this can help identify triggers and the effectiveness of interventions. 2. Fragmented sleep. Menopause often causes insomnia and nighttime awakenings. The Oura Ring details your sleep stages, light, deep, REM, time awake, and sleep efficiency, allowing you to see the real impact of symptoms and your strategies. 3. Stress and recovery. Heart rate variability, HRV, is a key indicator of your autonomic nervous system and your ability to handle stress. Hormonal fluctuations can lower HRV, indicating higher stress. The Oura Ring helps you monitor your recovery and adjust your day accordingly. 4. Cycles and transition. For those in perimenopause, the Oura Ring can help identify patterns of irregular menstrual cycles and the transition into menopause, providing objective data on hormonal changes. Now, let's connect the dots to a hidden player: cortisol. While the Oura Ring doesn't directly measure this stress hormone, its data is a powerful proxy. Research in psychoneuroendocrinology shows that a lower HRV is strongly correlated with higher cortisol levels. During menopause, declining estrogen can dysregulate the HPA axis, leading to wacky cortisol rhythms. This is why you might feel wired but tired at night. If your Oura Ring shows a consistently low HRV and poor sleep readiness, it's a giant data-driven flag that your stress response system needs support. It's like your body's check engine light is on, and the Oura Ring is the code reader telling you it's a cortisol issue, not just bad sleep. For women in perimenopause, your cycle might be unpredictable, but your data doesn't have to be. This is where the Oura Ring's trend analysis becomes your best friend. By tracking your data over months, you can start to see your own patterns emerge, even within the chaos. A study in sleep medicine highlights that sleep architecture changes dramatically across the menstrual cycle. You can use your Oura data to sync your life with your body's needs. See a trend of lower HRV and higher body temperature for a week? That's your cue to prioritize gentle yoga over high-intensity workouts, or to say no to that extra project. It's about working with your body's rhythm, not against it. Think of it as biohacking your schedule based on your personal data, not a generic calendar. With insights from the Oura Ring, you can make more informed decisions to optimize your health during menopause. Here are some strategies. 1. Sleep optimization. If Oura shows fragmented sleep, focus on sleep hygiene, a cool environment, and relaxing routines. The ring will give you immediate feedback on effectiveness. 2. Stress management. Low HRV? Prioritize relaxation techniques, meditation, yoga, or time in nature. Oura will show the improvement in your recovery. 3. Lifestyle adjustments. Use temperature data to identify hot flash triggers and adjust your diet, exercise, or even bedroom temperature. 4. doctor communication. Take your Oura Ring data to your appointments. It provides an objective, continuous view of your symptoms, making it easier to discuss and adjust treatments like hormone replacement therapy. Finally, let's talk about the long game. The real power of the Oura Ring isn't just in managing night sweats today. It's in protecting your health for decades to come. Menopause is a key risk factor for conditions like osteoporosis and cardiovascular disease. Consistently poor sleep scores and an elevated resting heart rate aren't just about feeling tired. They are modifiable risk factors. By using your Oura data to improve these metrics, you're not just chasing a better night's sleep, you're actively engaging in preventive health. You're building a defense, data point by data point, against the long-term health shifts that can follow menopause. It's the ultimate act of body literacy and empowerment. The Oura Ring isn't a cure for menopause, but it's a powerful tool for empowerment. It transforms the subjective experience of symptoms into objective data, allowing you to better understand your body, make informed decisions, and work in partnership with your doctor to find the best solutions. It's menopause with control, menopause with clarity, menopause with confidence. What's your biggest struggle with menopause? Let us know in the comments below. If you're ready to embrace technology and optimize your menopause journey, give this video a thumbs up, share it with other women, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on menopause health and wellness. Your menopause, your data, your power. Thank you for watching, and remember, you deserve to thrive, not just survive.